Every day begins here, where scale starts at the root.
Millions of cassava plants meet skilled human hands. Extraction begins with strength, timing, and precision.
Quality is judged before machines ever see the crop.
Each container carries hundreds of future flour batches. Flow begins even before the factory gates.
Every ton is measured, logged, and accounted for.
From soil to supply chain in minutes.
The journey to transformation has begun.
Harvested roots begin their controlled race against time. Freshness is preserved through speed and coordination.
Base coordination check, route 12.
Confirmed.
Every route is timed down to the minute.
Scale demands infrastructure that never sleeps.
Traceability is enforced before entry is granted.
The processing heart of the operation comes into view.
Raw materials cross into an engineered environment.
Internal flow is as critical as the harvest itself.
Here, raw cassava meets industrial transformation. This facility exists to move volume without compromise. Human coordination drives industrial precision. Gravity becomes the first processing force. Tons of roots enter the system every minute. The processing line begins its uninterrupted run. Outside agriculture yields to engineered control. This is a system built for relentless continuity.
Every movement is measured in real time.
The first transformation begins with cleanliness. Before processing, purity is enforced. Only usable material is allowed to proceed.
Human judgment remains essential.
Yet, nothing unfit contaminates the line.
Uniformity improves processing efficiency.
Final rinsing prepares roots for breakdown. Flow accelerates as processing intensifies. The roots are ready for transformation. Processing begins by removing what is no longer needed. Speed and abrasion replace manual labor. Byproducts are separated instantly. Clean surfaces ensure consistent milling later. Roots are reduced to manageable dimensions. Consistency defines industrial efficiency. Consistency defines industrial efficiency. Surface control prevents processing interference. Moisture is managed before milling begins. Size reduction gives way to material conversion. This is where roots lose their identity. Mechanical force transforms solids into slurry. Unwanted fiber is removed with precision. Nothing goes to waste in high-volume systems. The valuable component moves forward.
Gravity refines what machines began.
Speed replaces time at industrial scale. Moisture reduction begins the final conversion. The path toward flour is irreversible. Heat and airflow complete the transformation.
Automation maintains balance at extreme throughput.
Air becomes a sorting tool. The product finally takes form.
Human oversight guides automated scale.
Processing gives way to perfection. Stability protects consistency. Uniformity is engineered, not assumed. Safety is embedded at every stage. Specification defines market value.
Scale multiplies without losing accuracy.
Verification precedes distribution. Every batch is tested, without exception.
Verification runs parallel to production.
Moisture defines shelf life. Every gram is measured before sealing.
Every delivery is synchronized to demand.
Every journey begins at the root.
Witness the scale of modern production, from soil to shelf.